Hi guys, it's Gar Guy UK. So today we are reviewing the Apple AirTag. So I'm quite sucked into the Apple ecosystem. I have the iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, the watch. So I wanted to get something to keep hold of my keys so I don't lose them. And the next progression to that was the AirTag. You can get other products on the market, but as I'm in the Apple ecosystem, I've gone for the AirTag. I think it's the best choice. So Apple say that the AirTag is a super easy way to keep track of your stuff, so you can attach it to your keys, which I'm going to do. You can put it in your backpack, you can attach it to anything really that you want to keep hold of and not lose. And you're able to track it through your Find My app on your iPhone. Okay, so I've bought a case for the AirTag, so I can attach it to my keys. It comes with a key ring and it's from Belkin, as you can see. Okay, so we'll have a look at that first before we open the AirTag. Okay, so if we just slide it out. Okay, so it looks like it will clip in there. And then we've got the key ring. That's great, so I'll just put that to one side. So this is the AirTag. So with all new Apple products now, you get this little label on the bottom rather than it being wrapped in plastic. So you know no one's had this before you. Okay, so just all the paperwork that normally comes with it, or with any Apple product. And there we have the AirTag. Quite tiny. And I think when I pull that out, it's going to activate it. Okay, so I think what we should do is we should activate it. And what we'll do is we'll get a device. Okay, so I've got my iPad. What we'll do is we'll pull out. As you heard, it made a noise, and as you can see on my iPad, it's asking for us to connect to it. So let's do that. It's asking us what we want to use it for. So I'm going to say keys. So there's some private information about myself. I've blurred that out. So it's going to link to my Apple ID. Just wait for that to connect. And there we go, it's connected. So let's have a look in the Find My app. Okay, so you can see that it's now in my items list. Let's play a sound. So that's quite good. If you lose it, you can play a sound. That was a really quick setup process, so I'm really impressed. Okay, so that's connected. So what we'll do now, we'll attach it to its case, which just locks together. You can see that. And there we go. One Apple AirTag. So what we'll do is we'll attach it Excellent. So now we shouldn't get lost. So basically how it works is the AirTag sends out a secure Bluetooth signal that can be detected by nearby devices in the Find My network. So these devices send the location of the AirTag to the iCloud, and that's where you're able to use it to find it within the Find My app, and you can see it on a map. So yeah, it's really handy to have. And obviously with it being an Apple device, it's very secure and private as well. Just a few other features of the AirTag, so it's got a really long battery life, so it shouldn't need replacing for quite some time. It's also water resistant, which is good. So yeah, I'm impressed. So to find the AirTag, you need to navigate to the Find My app and the section Find Nearby. And what you'll start to get is a really great visual with an arrow that's pointing in a different direction. So it'll say if it's behind you, it'll indicate if you need to go right or left or ahead. It's a really great visual. And it's almost like the hot and cold situation, and it'll flash green when you're nearby, and eventually it'll say here when you get to your AirTag. So you should have been able to find your AirTag and whatever it's attached to. So it's a really great feature. And just to show you quickly wandering outdoors, so that's the Apple AirTag. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and also subscribe to the channel, as that always helps me. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.